Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and a lower console organizer for the Kia EV6 definitely makes better use of this space under the center console. So BestEVMod came out with one and it was good to have, but it was kind of shallow and the cup holders were small and close together, making it not the most useful. Well, they listened to our feedback and they came out with 2 additional organizers that work much better. So here you can see the original organizer compared to the new ones, and we'll take a look at each one up close. Now with the original one, the cup holders were sized exactly for basically a 12-ounce soda can, and it holds it well, but with how close together they are, it meant you can't have 2 side by side, which obviously isn't ideal. This is their new V2 unit, and it works much better. The cup holders themselves are a little bit bigger, and they're deeper, which is great, and they're spaced properly, so you can actually have 2 side by side, which is definitely a better design. And the cubbies themselves are deeper too, which is good. And they made the back cubby fairly large, which should work well for small items like bags or that type of thing. But yeah, I like the V2 design a lot more than the original. It makes better use of the space and it works very well. Now they also have a new one with a sliding cover too. So with this one, the cover just slides into place and it actually looks pretty good. It's a nice and clean design. And it comes with an adjustable front portion, which is pretty cool. So you can adjust the size of the cup holder depending on what you're carrying. It holds a soda can fine. Let's go ahead and try a water bottle. So it does sit there fine, but it needs to be tighter. So let's adjust that here. It's still kind of loose, especially front to back. Maybe I can try and arrange this somehow to get it to hold it good and tight. I know people want to be able to hold larger water bottles here. That's about as tight as I think you're going to be able to get it, but unfortunately the front to back is still not tight, so it'll definitely fall over. Maybe if I try angling it more, it might work. Nope, it just pops out there. But either way, it's nice to have the adjustability there and to have the covers. The back cover also slides and reveals a fairly deep cubby underneath. But yeah, it looks good. I'm definitely a fan of the new designs. My favorite is definitely the V2 with the better cup holders and the deeper cubbies. I'll go ahead and show you how they fit in the car. This is the V2 unit and it fits in there perfectly. It looks like an OEM unit. Good quality, and it definitely makes for more usable space there. Now for the one with the sliding cover. This one also fits perfectly. And it does actually look really good there with the covers closed. Again, it's nice and clean. I like that a lot. And it looks like it could have come that way from the factory. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave the V2 console organizer in. I personally like this one the most. And it's very inexpensive too. On Amazon, it's only $20. I'll link it in the description. And the one with the sliding cover is only $34 on Amazon. You can also get them from EV for $19 and $34. And if you use promo code TechJeff, you can save an additional 5%. So it is a little cheaper there. I know they are working on getting more inventory on Amazon and the EV site. So if they do sell out, I'll try and keep an eye out and let you guys know when they're back in stock. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the organizer selection from BestEVMod, and I'm glad they listened to the feedback that many of us provided and came out with these new units. Let me know what you guys think of the new organizers in the comments, and let me know if you have any questions. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.